Welcome to Word of the Day. Let's expand our vocabulary together. Today's word is patronize. It means to treat with an apparent kindness that betrays a feeling of superiority. To be a customer of a business regularly. Here are two examples using this word. He hated it when people would patronize him, using simple words as if he were a child. We should patronize local shops to support small businesses in our community. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are condescend, talk down to, frequent. Antonyms are respect, honor, boycott. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.